Just got this brand new Jackson Randy Rhoads 7-string straight out of the box. It doesn't work. The electronics are all messed up. They didn't inspect it. That's who inspected it, or says they did, but they didn't. I've tightened everything. I've been playing guitar for 20 years. I know what I'm doing. I've tried other guitars, different cables, different settings on the amp, whatever. It's the guitar. There's something wrong with the electronics. That whole crap. But that's not, when you hear that, that's not coming through. The amp's up loud. That should be gut punching distortion right now. And that's all that comes through. Just a teeny little itty bitty 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 bit. And this doesn't count. It's not, these little pops you hear, you can't hold them. Can't. And that little bit of sound is not what it should be, man. This should be blowing your eardrums off. I am not paying for a brand new guitar that's got all these stupid problems. Nope, something's busted, something's wrong. It doesn't hold. I mean, it's just a terrible, they didn't inspect it, man. They just shipped this thing out. They didn't even test it.